I was reacting like lazy. I mean, no. No. I was reacting about to lazy like that. But my boss called me and I need to energize and I need to do what I should do. So basically my boss did this to make me that no I will complete this and I will ride the bike and I will go there. Someone who knows me stopped right here and I am very no. It happened that he didn't see me he didn't recognize me. I mean he doesn't know. He was busy with with their thoughts or he was not he basically didn't notice me. That's what I want to say. I was no when I started this clip I have noticed a beautiful dog right there and now he is there too. Hey, this is I am and so sorry. I did sorry to myself for my that movement. No, for my that movement. No, for my that thing which I was thinking inside and I won't tell you. This is the wall and this is my finger. This is I am and purpose behind telling this is to make my vlog 5 minutes long. Basically what I was thinking last night or any time because I'm not sure whether I was thinking this last night or any other time. And what I'm thinking that was this: I need to tell something, some real story, not like this. I mean which I told you guys later that this is wall. These things are exists, but I need to tell something that would be interested. Today I met with someone who knows me and someone I knows. I basically met a person who was my business fellow. No, he was not my business fellow. This statement of mine is incorrect. He was just we guys actually business saying no. This word is not relevant. It's relevant, but it's not proper. Let me tell you what is the story. No, it's not story, but I was just wanted to tell something real, and that would be this. Today I met a guy, and he wants to start a business. He wants to start his own business. He wants to be a manufacturer. I need to go there because someone is coming towards in this direction, and they can no. I don't know. Yup, they can interrupt me, but they didn't. Thank you them. Okay, I need to back to my that story, and that could be this. I need to tell you what I need to tell you about that guy who's with whom I met. So yes, he want to be a manufacturer. He want to what could be interested in this. Basically, I need to tell in that way that it would be interested. Okay, I need to tell it in that way that this could be interesting. Okay, let me think how can I make my that meetup and tells you and that would be interested. Let me think inside. Yup, he is a no. That guy is a like that guy. What is? Let me think about it. Yes, that guy and I go somewhere else, and there we met a gentleman. I mean, a person who is yes, everyone is gentleman. No, that's what I think, or that's what I'm saying. Okay, we go there and met someone, and that person brief us about their business. This is a tree. Bye bye. Hey, yeah, I am addressing you guys. You guys I was thinking last day, I was very like that what I'm doing, why I'm wasting my energy here. But then I thought I need to do it for a year, and then I will check what are the results. If the results are like what I want, then I will continue it. And if the results are not like that which I want, I will skip it, and then I will do something else. Or that basically that what I was thinking last day when I did this. It's time to go. Bye bye.